In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean and personalized Notion homepage. We're going to build a homepage that looks good, feels organized, and makes it easier to manage your daily workflow. The goal here is not to make it overly complicated, but to create a space you'll actually want to use every day. Start by opening your main Notion dashboard. If you don't already have one, create a new page and use that as your home base. This page will act as your central hub, so think of it as the first place you land whenever you open Notion. Keeping everything connected to one homepage can save time and make your workspace feel much more intentional. Next, add a cover image that matches your style. The cover helps set the tone for the page and makes it feel more visually complete. You can choose something minimal, calming, creative, or professional, depending on how you want your workspace to feel. Try to pick an image that supports focus rather than distraction, since this is a page you may look at often. After that, add an icon or emoji for the page. This gives your homepage a little personality and also makes it easier to recognize quickly in your sidebar. A simple icon can make a surprisingly big difference in helping your setup feel polished and easy to navigate. Now it's time to add your main sections. Create areas for tasks, notes, calendar, goals, and projects. These sections give structure to your homepage and help separate different parts of your work or personal planning. As you build them, keep the labels clear and simple so you can instantly understand where everything belongs. Once your sections are in place, arrange them into columns by dragging blocks side by side. This is one of the easiest ways to make your homepage look cleaner and more efficient. Columns help you use space better and allow important information to be visible at a glance. As you organize the layout, think about which sections you use most often and place those where they're easiest to see. If you want to make the page more dynamic, add widgets such as a clock, quote, weather display, or habit tracker if needed. These can make your dashboard feel more interactive and useful, but only include them if they genuinely support your routine. Too many extras can make the page feel busy. Finally, review your homepage and remove anything that isn't useful. This last step is important because a good Notion homepage should stay organized over time, not just look nice at the beginning. Keep what helps, remove what doesn't, and update it as your needs change. That's how you create a homepage that stays practical, clear, and easy to use.